Okay, in this short video, I'm going to teach you guys how to take second exit from Duckworth Lane onto Lillycroft. This video is already on YouTube, but I've decided to update it in better quality and in better sound as well. Okay, so there are going to be two lanes ahead. Obviously, you're going to stay in the left lane if you're going towards Lillycroft. So if there's traffic ahead, you need to keep that pedestrian crossing clear. Now I'm going to slow the video down ahead. So you can see there are two lanes entering the roundabout. So where the van is, you can see van is in the inside lane. So that van you need to give way to. But if the people are on the outside lane, they should be going on to Duckworth Lane and you're good to go. Now further ahead is going to be two lanes. Again, the road marking is very, very faint and you probably cannot even see that. Years ago, one of my learners failed because she swerved slightly to the right. So here you need to keep to the left as much as possible. Because you can see that black car on the right hand side, it's in the inside lane. So you need to keep to the left as much as possible. This bus should have given us way, but decided not to. And you can see we've ended up in the most left lane. And that road right ahead is your second exit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.